Hello everyone. If you don't have a backup in Google Photos, then don't worry. You can still restore it. Because when you delete a file, often the OS does not erase the data immediately. So in this video I will share one of the best file recovery tools that can scan your storage very deeply. But since the files are deleted, so restoration might be slightly lower quality. Let's start. At first, go to Settings, then go to App Settings. Find File Manager here. Then force stop it. Now the process will run smoothly. Then open your Play Store and install this app. Search Dumpstart here. Then install it. Open it. Then allow all permissions. At the bottom, click on Deep Scan. Then it will take some time. Once the process is done, you can see some deleted photos recovered along with available photos. As I told you before, it will be slightly lower quality, like me, but restore it. So if you like this trick, please do subscribe and thanks for watching.